ready to ditch those blocky blues and transform Minecraft into a visual masterpiece. Then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to install BSL shaders, unlocking breathtaking graphics, realistic lighting, and mesmerizing water effects in your game. First, you'll need OptiFine. Head over to OptiFine and download the latest version compatible with your Minecraft version. Make sure you download the version of OptiFine that matches your Minecraft version. Once downloaded, run the OptiFine installer. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to install it directly into your Minecraft launcher. Now, open your Minecraft launcher. You should see a new OptiFine profile. Select it and launch the game. Once Minecraft is running, go to Options, then Video Settings. You should see a Shaders button. If you don't see the Shaders button, make sure you correctly installed OptiFine. Next, download BSL Shaders from a reputable source like CursorForge or the official BSL Shaders website. Ensure you download the latest version. Back in the Video Settings, click the Shaders button, then click the Shaders folder button at the bottom left of the screen. This will open your Shaderpacks folder. Drag or copy the BSL Shaders zip file you downloaded into this folder. Do not unzip the file. Return to the Minecraft window, and BSL Shaders should now appear in the shaders list. Click on it to select it. The game will take a moment to load the shaders, and voila! You're now experiencing Minecraft like never before. Experiment with the shader settings to find the perfect balance between performance and visual quality. Enjoy your visually enhanced Minecraft experience.